Transferring money from Merrill Edge Bank of America is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To transfer money from Merrill Edge to Bank of America, you have a few options. The first option is linking accounts. If you have both a Bank of America banking account and a Merrill Edge investment account, you can link them. This allows you to easily transfer money between eligible accounts. Then, you can view all your eligible account balances on both websites. Now quickly switch between the two sites without having to log in again. ACH Transfer Tool is the simplest method to move available cash out of a Merrill Edge account. You can use the ACH Transfer Tool on the broker's website. This tool automatically connects to Bank of America accounts that are opened within the same Social Security number. For online banking, if you want to transfer money between your Merrill Edge brokerage accounts, you can do so directly on the Merrill Edge website. However, if you want to transfer money from a Bank of America account to another person's Bank of America account, you must use online banking.